Privacy and settings can be found on your TikTok profile by tapping on the three little dots in the upper right hand corner. So go ahead and tap once on those, and you are going to see a plethora of account settings and all of these things that you have. Now, we're not going to go over every single one of these. I'm going to leave it on your own to take a look at each one of these. But probably first and foremost is managing your account, and you want to go ahead and put in any and all contact information, setting up your privacy and your settings on each one of these, and going through all of these to see how you want your TikTok profile account to be relatable and to be seen by the public. Now, you can go through all of these on your own, but I'm just telling you that this is the hub for absolutely everything, even setting up a new account and also adding money so that you can tip people through their videos. And this is the neat thing about TikTok, what you can do. You can add money by adding coins, and for people who have enough followers to go live, you can go onto their stream or their video where they are live, and you can give them coin, which has an exchange rate into real dollars. So this is another way of marketing yourself, being able to gain followers, and being able to get your message, your product, and your services out there. But all of this is set up in your settings and privacy area of your TikTok. So I would spend and hollow out some time just to go over all of these things.